guys, what is going on? We have ourselves a new puppy, Ranger. Ranger, say hi, buddy. He's a chocolate lab and he's 8 weeks old. He's very curious about what I'm holding up for him. Apparently that's called a phone camera, Ranger. He's like 8 weeks old. He's just so tiny and so sweet. Here's Parker. Parker loves him, don't you?
Yeah.
And he's just so sweet and so cute. He's trying to take a nap. So yeah, he's really funny. And so yeah, we just got him. It's our first day here. And he's really funny, but he's tired because he's been in the car for 6 hours. He's been playing around with us for 2 or 3 hours. So, yep. There's the little sleepy Ranger. Night Ranger. Guys, please leave a like and you can leave comments about Ranger.